issue of Marcos. Later, I will talk with J. Rick Silva. You know, guys, I'm just gonna say to Mark Cruz, you're the one who creating cyberbullying. Do not blame Christian. Do not blame me, First of all, you're the one who set me up to gossip Wawel Romero that I hack Facebook account of Ronald Rubena. Oh, it wasn't Wawel. It wasn't me. Oh, it wasn't anybody. Oh, you're the one who started this. In 2019, Mark Cruz. Oh, you're the one who started the fight. You're the one who started the chaos. You're the one who's starting in troublemaker. You are a bully. Oh, you don't really give a shame to Roylan Marlang that I was invited in interview in Nance Inclusion Philippines. I was in Zoom meeting that time. Oh, have a shame to yourself, Mark Cruz. You know, you're commenting about what did you said before in the comment in Instagram in the post in Facebook. He calls me Hezbollah, he calls me anything. That's so embarrassing. I'm telling ya. And he cursed me a bad words. He calls me asshole word. Oh, you know, Mark Cruz, you're the one who started this. Why my mom had reported to Teacher May? Oh, Teacher May is going to file the cases against Mark Cruz. Oh, ex-Teacher May Tiburcio, welcome to the group. At least you're confined in the hospital and you have a stage 3 colon cancer. And I want to tell you, if Mark Cruz saying bad words in Instagram or threads, I will send it to you, all the evidence. And it's up to you. I will report, I will tell it to Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, and all of friends there, even to Ronald Rebena, that I have the evidence that what he's saying. It's up to know that who was saying those things are really how negative is he. Oh, you know, Mark Cruz, do not say bad words at anyone, even Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan. Don't make a bomb joke about ISIS, even Paulo Cruzada. Do not make about ISIS terrorism, or at least they learn how to stop. But you, Mark Cruz, I say to you, you need to stop making troublemaker because everyone, they really hate you. Oh, including Rapa Soko, oh, including Ronald Rebena. They really hate you. That's why Rapa Soko doesn't like to say bad words. He doesn't like negatives because he doesn't want to get in trouble. Like me, I caused lots of trouble too. When I bullied David Gill, oh me, I was caused a lot of trouble. When I bully Eskel Penumbra or Teacher Kel, that was, I remember, even Luis Cabales, even JD Viniegas, who else? Oh, Teacher Vincent, oh, last 2021. Last 2024, it's Teacher Gio Malana. Oh, after that, oh, in 2026, I bullied Teacher May also. Oh, even Ate Dina. That was really happened in reality. But I say again, Mark Cruz, do not bully anyone. You're a bully eh. Let's say again, Mark Cruz, let's have a bullying psychologist, psychiatrist test that who you are, that you are a bully. Oh, don't be such a bully, Mark Cruz. You know, Mark Cruz, anyway, you need to stop posting about nonsense. even Alan Peter Cayetano, Rodante Marcoleta. As you can see, that Kuya Dan Mardayaw, who is a Duterte supporter, is very angry at you for posting a political, even not even just that. You're posting about Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili. You see that I was messaged from Rafael Tiburcio, that was Teacher May's nephew. He said to me, oh, why does Mark Cruz is posting about um, um, Rene Bartebonia in threads in Instagram? I saw in his threads. So, because he's posting nonsense and he mentioning my name. That you're gonna drown me in the drop off. Oh. Alright. As for me, I'm just gonna say to Mark Cruz, I just want to demand him stop posting about nonsense in Instagram and threads. That's all. It's not really good to post about nonsense.